What's something people don't know about carry-on rules in 2025? They're changing fast. With the rapid advancements in technology and the evolving security measures, it's crucial to stay updated. Many travelers find themselves caught off guard by the latest regulations, leading to unnecessary stress and delays. But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate these changes smoothly. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone who only flies occasionally, understanding these new rules can save you a lot of hassle. Let me show you how to stay ahead of the game. Alright, let's dive in. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, understanding the new carry-on rules can make your journey much more pleasant. From packing your bags to passing through security, we've got you covered with all the essential tips and tricks. Knowing these rules not only helps you avoid unnecessary delays, but also ensures that you have a smoother, more enjoyable travel experience. First up, liquid restrictions are still a thing. Despite the advancements in security technology, the rules around liquids haven't changed much. However, there are some updates you need to be aware of. These updates are designed to make the process more efficient, while still maintaining high security standards. But now, you're allowed up to 150 milliliters per container. This slight increase from the previous 100 milliliters can make a big difference, especially for those who need to carry essential toiletries or medications. Just remember, each container must still fit within a single, clear, quart-sized bag. This change is particularly beneficial for travelers who need to carry larger quantities of liquids, such as baby formula or medical supplies. Just make sure they fit in a single, clear, quart-sized bag. Next, electronics. With the rise of remote work and digital nomadism, more people are traveling with multiple electronic devices. This trend has led to new guidelines to ensure that security checks are both thorough and efficient. Laptops, tablets, and even larger smartphones must be placed in their own bin during screening. This helps security personnel get a clearer view of each device, ensuring a smoother and faster screening process. By following this rule, you can help reduce the likelihood of your devices being flagged for additional inspection. No more stacking them up. Stacking devices can obscure the view on the X-ray machine, leading to additional checks and delays. By placing each device in its own bin, you can help speed up the process for everyone. This simple step can save you valuable time and make the security process less stressful. And here's a new one: smart luggage. These high-tech bags come with features like GPS tracking, built-in scales, and even charging ports for your devices. But with great power comes great responsibility. These features can be incredibly convenient, but they also come with specific regulations that you need to be aware of. If your carry-on has a built-in battery, make sure it's removable. Non-removable batteries? This is a crucial point because non-removable batteries pose a fire risk, and airlines are very strict about this rule. Ensuring that your smart luggage complies with these regulations can save you from a lot of last-minute stress at the airport. Sorry, they'll need to be checked in. If your smart luggage doesn't comply, you might have to part with it at the gate, which can be a major inconvenience. Always check the airline's specific guidelines regarding smart luggage before you travel to avoid any surprises. Also, be mindful of carry-on size. Airlines are getting stricter. With more people trying to avoid checked baggage fees, overhead bin space is at a premium. This means that adhering to size and weight limits is more important than ever. Check with your carrier for specific dimensions to avoid a gate-side scramble. Each airline has its own size and weight limits for carry-ons, so it's essential to verify these details before you pack. Knowing these limits can help you avoid the frustration of having to check your bag at the last minute. Lastly, remember those duty-free purchases? Keep your receipts handy. Duty-free items are a great way to save on taxes, but they come with their own set of rules. Being aware of these rules can help you make the most of your duty-free shopping experience. Security will want to see them. Travel smarter, not harder. By keeping your receipts accessible, you can avoid any misunderstandings or delays at security checkpoints. This simple step can make your journey through the airport much smoother. Subscribe for more tips and safe travels. Staying informed and prepared is the key to a hassle-free travel experience. Follow our channel for the latest updates and expert advice on all things travel-related. Safe travels, everyone. By staying updated on the latest travel regulations and tips, you can ensure that your trips are as smooth and enjoyable as possible.